stand together to fight the Burmese forces. In 1824, Gambhir Singh formed a group known as the Manipur Levi, consisting of 500 to 2,000 men, trained and supported by the British under Captain Grant. With great courage and unity, this force successfully fought back and pushed the Burmese out of Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, with this powerful historical spirit in mind, please put your hands together and give a warm welcome to Bikran Meitei for the Manipuri Song.
Good evening, everybody, teachers, friends, and respected professors. My name is Bikran Meitei, and I'm originally from Manipur. And today, I would like to perform the song that has already been said. The name of the song is Thongsu, laona, hanglage. That means welcoming with an open door. So basically, Manipur is the neighboring state of Burma, and during the ancient time, during the 17th century, Manipur used to be a princely state governed by its own kingdom. And during this, during one of the battles between the Burma, present-day Myanmar, and Manipur, the Manipur armies were brutally driven out by the aggressive Burmese invasion during this battle. And for around 7 years, the Meitei people that usually reside in the valley that were driven off, and they resided in present-day Silchar and Assam to seek refuge. And later on, however, the Meitei people regained their position by the power, by using the power of Manipur Levi. However, this song is regarding during that 7 years of phase where the hill tribes, the hill brothers of Manipur, were calling out their valley brothers that went outside Manipur, who were seeking refuge in various parts of Assam, to come back and fight for their land. So I would like to perform the song right now. Can you please start with a karaoke?
Lolab na leibalam linda jak na yeng batado lokaw basu leitin ang gulab na dum lay na rasu tamoy gi mari ama iram le buarida o piba mahag na suli bikhi adungay gi jak yom yum ye na jamin na baywari su Chahitare kun takpa mitop chana landava iga kaina pa majil manna sitnava Meitei lay magab kiba samlang farasa kiba kaurabar kauganti bakang lay jasa kaurabar kauganti bakang lay jasa kau basu lay tinang bulab na dum lay na rasu tamoy gi mari ama iram le buarida Piba mahana suli biki adungay gi jak yom yum ye na jamin na baywari su Numidang way malang da barak turin torbanda Mapam lamdam yeng du nahig na kapkiba Panggal tigla nong shana Kaya chik na khang kiba Ngam kay ngak pamaring na tanggi jagoy kat kiba Kaurabar kau ganti bakang lay jasa Kaurabara kauganti bakanglay jasa Kausu layti ng bulap na dumlay na rasu Tamoy gimari ama iram lepuarida O piba mahang na suli bighi adungay Chak yom yu yom ye na chamin na baywarisu Thongsu laona hanglage na yung may kay panglaglola na laybalam linda Chak na yung pagkadoglo. Thank you so much.